Happy birthday, Nak! Alam ko hindi mo pa maaalala tong event na hinandaan namin para sa'yo. Pag nakita mo itong paglaki mo, always remember that mahal na mahal ka ni Mami and all I want is the best for you. Yun lang. Love you!
The plans we make and chances we take.
Maganda mong bata at sana sa paglaki mo ay patuloy na maging maganda yung lahat ng na maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo sa paglaki. Ayan.
And we know that our faith will get us through. It's so obvious, forever call.
Ayan, Daddy, ano po kayang napapansin nyo ngayong favorite food ni Jassie? Carrot. Si Mami, kaya anong napapansin favorite food ni Jassie? Banana. Banana. Very healthy pala to si Jassie.
It's the first day. It's the first day. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here.
I just want you to know na love ka ni Daddy. Ikaw yung forever baby ko kahit na magpakasal ka na.